Hello everyone, today I'm Kingston and this is the 101 guidance to the Leafner system. So what we have here is the table of content. Firstly, we'll discover what is the Leafner system. Secondly, we'll discover how does it work. Lastly, I'll give you a simple example of the Leafner system. So the basic definition of the Leafner system is that it's a flashcard system that involves dividing your flashcard into different distinguishable boxes, and it was invented by Sebastian Leafner in the 1970s in his book called Learn How to Learn. To use the Leafner system, I would suggest you to get yourself more than 2 boxes and prepare a bunch of flashcards that involves your topic that you want to study. So what I have prepared for you is 3 boxes. Each boxes will be labeled 3 different numbers, 1, 2, 3. And you would want to put all those flashcards that you have prepared into box 1 initially. So whenever you get a flashcard correct, you would want to move it to the next box. In this example, it's 1 to 2, 2 to 3. However, when you get it wrong, you would need to move the flashcard back to box 1 and box 1 only. So what I have here is 3 boxes labeled as box 1, box 2, box 3. So, for example, if you pick a random flashcard, which is this, the traditional function of manager, and I managed to answer it correctly, then it will move from box 1 to box 2. And if the next time I manage to pick the same flashcard and I answer it correctly, then it will move from box 2 to box 3. However, if it were to be in box 3 and I get it wrong, it will move way back to box 1. And the same thing applies to box 2 as well. It will move way back to box 1 too. So what you notice is that if you get a flashcard correct, it will only move 1 level. But if you get it wrong, regardless of the box that it is in, it will still move to the original box, which is box 1 here. Okay, so this is the simple example of the Leafner system that you guys can see. For more useful tutorial like this, you guys can check out my website at edulians.space that is in the comment section, or you guys can watch other content on my YouTube channel. Peace.